Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO Reno 15. Okay, we have two methods how we can restart our OPPO, and I'll show you of course the both methods. First and the recommended method is a reboot using the power menu. To perform it we need to click the power button and volume up button at the same time until power menu launches, just like that. Now drag this white ball into the restart function, and now if you release your finger your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on. Again, you will see your home screen. You also have to type your screen lock if you have one to go through, then simply type it and your phone will be fully responsive and ready to use. When it comes to the second method, it's called force restart, and it's recommended, for example, when your whole device is lagged or frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and you cannot do anything. To perform that force restart we need to also use power key and volume up, but this time we need to keep holding both buttons until screen turns off. So simply keep holding power key and volume up until you see that the screen has been turned off. Just like that. Now we can release our fingers. We just need to wait a few seconds now, and the OPPO logo will also appear on our screen, and the phone will be ready to use when you see your home screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.